excited to see Lemonade again. Look how clean she is. My old mother. No mice. Listen to her purr. Listen to her purr. She started. Second time. That's gangster. Alright, Lemonade. Where are we going this year? 2019. We go.
Redesign. Yeah, very soon.
We're renovating Lemonade. Look what we did. We built that. What are we doing? Why are we waiting? Because Lemonade is getting what? Should be legal today. Mechanics in Romania, and it appears like an MOT. And once she clears the ITP, then she is legal to drive. We can hit the road again.
On the awesome shows, the awesome shows, the awesome shows.
Sucking out all the dust and grime that's accumulated. 2018! Woo! Spring! Spring. We're doing van life again this year. Sun was shining a few days ago, now it's not. Now it's like this, but still. And we're waiting for Bunny's new glider. What you got there, Bunny? Cross country machine. We should talk about toy. And some repairs on Lemonade. We have been working on Lemonade for a few weeks now. Adding some bits, repainting some stuff. She's getting a brand new set of tires put on. We also had new brake thingies put on all over. And then we're going to hit the road. And we're going to start our year of paragliding in Europe. Finally, we are on the road. Look at that. Cali's made boxes. See? Yeah, we just made shelves out of boxes. Day one. Now we're going to go to Italy. We're going to go hike. We're going to go fly. Let's hit the road. 2018, day 2. We're on van life now. We're still in Romania. We met up with some friends and now we are leaving Brașov. Probably 2 days time. Morning, buddy. Van life. It's 6:30 and we're at a truck stop. Today we will head out through to Hungary. Update us, Bunny.
Lemonade just broke down.
Near a town called Hhad in Romania, and we turned on the car at 6 o'clock this morning to drive away, not far from Hungary, and she won't go into gear. So we might be spending some time in Hhad. Van life.
Yay.
It's our first proper breakdown, I guess.
I guess so, because the battery in Italy
Took
lost.
10 minutes to
Someone
change the
came,
battery, yeah.
change it and done.
And now we're at a truck stop. And it's Easter weekend or something, and so who knows how long it's going to take.
Before Easter.
It is raining, and so I had to crawl under the van to do absolutely nothing because I was just pretending like I knew anything about cars.
How's it going your first
Backwards!
guitar class?
This is how right-handed people play guitars. I'm left-handed! Give us an update, Bunny.
After spending 2 nights in this pit stop by the highway, we talked to someone, we talked with someone, and in the end, someone's gonna come and tow us into town, into Arad, because it's Easter and nobody's working.
Hopefully we got told it's the clutch, which is a lot easier and cheaper than the gearbox. We'll probably be here for about 7 days, huh? Maybe 1 week. And a stationary home. It's not a mobile home anymore. But at least we're seeing some results, huh, Bunny?
Yeah.
Huh?
We're changing location.
Changing location. There's Lemonade. Getting towed. Fourth wall. Where are we? We're still in a rat. Got 2 more days to go before the mechanics show up. Vanlife 2018. Spending the first week in a rat. Waiting to find out if Lemonade is repairable or if that Vanlife 2018 has come to an end. Money. YouTube community. We started Vanlife 2018. We were really serious about the content we were going to bring you. So give us some cash. Vanlife 2018! Woo! Bring it, baby! Stop now. Lemonade is in with the mechanics. And we've just been told what, Bunny? The gearbox is gone, completely gone, so they're trying to find another gearbox. And it's going to cost us probably at least €1,000 to get repaired, and that's if they manage to find one. So, but she's a rare one apparently. Don't buy 4-wheel drive unless you use a lot of 4-wheel drive. Chip lunch. Lunch number 2, dessert. And we just found out gearbox is parked, but they managed to find us one for $600, which is really good. €600 and €250 to change it. Tomorrow afternoon they should be done. And then Lemonade is 100%. And then we hit the road. Get the fuck out of here.
You're so sick because you ate so much cake.
No, it wasn't me.
No?
No. It feels great.
That's what you said before. Tomorrow, they have a day without cake.
No, I feel really good.
Yeah?
I'm happy with my sugar intake.
100 flicks or something.
Flicks or something? You're making up exercises. Alright, cool. I'll do 100 flicks or something. Done. Oh, there's Lemonade with the guts out. Hey, Bunny. Hopefully a new gearbox in today. But hopefully tonight she will be running. That's the gearbox, and that's the other thing, the differentials. So what do you do when Lemonade repairs are taking too long? Ooh, an abandoned shopping mall. It's really creepy. In a cool way though. Hello! Hello! Let's go find the abandoned cinema. Let's go watch an abandoned movie. Alright, well, listen to that. No more clacking. The gearbox has changed and we're about to take her on her first drive. About to put her in gear for the first time. You ready? First. Woo! Remember how you... And day after being fixed, we decided to stick around the neighborhood and just test her out a bit, and she has a oil leak. Cafe, thank you. Today's Friday. We're hoping it's a quick fix and we can hit the road as long as you can stop the oil leak. Let's just get the fuck out of a rat. We are just ready to leave. We've been in a rat for a week now. And it's been mixed. Chilled, relaxed. What do you think of a rat, bro? What do you think of it, huh? What do you think, buddy? Hey, we're leaving a rat. Finally, we spent over a week, over €1,000. Now's our first time properly leaving, and we have our fingers crossed that the gearbox, because it's a used gearbox, holds together, the Lemonade holds together, and takes us finally on the road. Was it like the 14th of April already? We're on our way to the Hungarian border. Lemonade's on the road. Vanlife 2018. Woo!
Nu știu ce o fi pățit, de băiatul n-a venit. Poate drumul a rătăcit, ori băiatul n-a venit. Fetițo, fetița